Lemongrass. So to make sure it's healthy, it should be firm with no bruises and have a strong lemony aroma. No aroma means it's no good. Lemongrass is typically much longer, but they happen to have only the stalks at the grocery store, which is good because that's the portion we want. First step is to make a slit lengthwise in order to remove the first layer, which can be quite woody. We'll then begin to tap it with the back of our knife to release its aroma and break up the tough fibers within. I'll then remove the root and begin to thinly slice. This can now be pounded into a paste, added to soups, or included in a marinade. And that is how you break down lemongrass.